Hi guys and welcome back. So we are on break and we are talking low because we don't want to be loud and I don't want everybody in my business. Well, so today we're at work and we are trying um some restaurant that they had come here. I guess he said he's from Southington. I'm gonna butcher the names as usual. So I'm gonna try. It's a Pakistan cuisine and street food. Right? So it's Nina's Desi Kitchen. Right. So I had him highlight what I had. So 1 second. So here's their menu. They have a lot of options that we can eat. Everything on here, vegan, vegetarian. So I have the zero rice, the sag without the cheese, and then the koli dali. So one of them is, I think he said spinach with mustard oil, and then another one is a chickpea curry. They're both curries. See? Then I got a little bit of this sauce. It's in here, cut chutney sauce, and then I think that's all I got. Yeah, so that's all I got. See what I got first? Boom. So he said they're in Southington. Their restaurant's closed for right now. They'll be back open in January. I've had them before, so I know I like it. Boom. So it's salad came free. That's the rice. That's the, I'm not sure which is which, but that's the curry chickpeas. And that's the, I want to say spinach with the mustard greens. Or I lied, not mustard greens. He said fried in mustard oil or sauteed in mustard oil. I'm not sure, but let's try. So surprisingly, I like the. So that tastes better hot. I do like the spinach. It's a little on the spicy side for me, but it has a lot of flavor. And the chickpeas too. So their food has a lot of flavor, which is a plus for me, and it's really good. Even though it looks funny and it looks like I wouldn't like it, honestly at first I thought I wouldn't like it, and I had them give me a little sample or whatever. So it tastes good. So I'm very satisfied. It's a little on the spice side, which I already knew. I'm not a fan of the rice. It's not bad, it's good. I can tolerate it, but I'm just not used to this kind of rice. So to me, the strands just taste funny or feel weird. Yeah, so I'm not the biggest fan of the rice. Let's try their sauce. They said it would be spicy and sweet, which is what it is. But very satisfying. A lot of flavor. And I think this is my first time trying Pakistani food, so very good. Well, if you guys are ever in Amazon or Southington, you definitely should try. They have regular options too, vegetarian options and vegan options. If you tell them that you're vegan, they'll let you know what to get and not to get. And their food has a lot of flavor, which is always a plus for me. Well, I'm gonna finish this because I'm on lunch and don't have much time to eat. Hold on. Sorry about that. As always, thank you for tuning in with me. I'm a really picky vegan, and if you haven't already, please like, follow, subscribe, and share my page with your friends because you never know who's truly interested in what vegans can eat besides your salad. And I got Pakistani food. Can't even say not a little bit of salad because it's a little bit of salad, but very good and flavorful. Until next time, guys. Bye.